Which of the following became the first Indian shipyard to build and deliver 100 warships? Right answer is option C, GRSE Kolkata. Friends, the formula of GRSE is Garden Rich Shipbuilders and Engineering Limited. It was the first Indian shipyard to build 100 warships. Which is the largest shipyard in India? Right answer is option B, Cochin Shipyard. Friends, India's largest commercial shipbuilder is Cochin Shipyard Limited. It is located in the port city of Kochi in the state of Kerala, India. Cochin Shipyard was incorporated in 1972 as a Government of India company. M.V. Rani Padmini in 1981 was the first ship to roll out of this shipyard. Which of the following was the first development bank in India? Right answer is option B, Industrial Finance Corporation of India. Friends, Industrial Finance Corporation of India was established on July 1st, 1948. The primary goal of establishing this development bank was to help the industrial sector meet its medium and long-term financial demands. Name the first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament. Right answer is option A, Dadabhai Naoroji. Friends, Dadabhai Naoroji was the first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament. He was elected for the Liberal Party in Finsbury Central at the 1892 general election. Was the first British Indian MP. Dadabhai Naoroji was popularly known as the Grand Old Man of India. Which is the structural unit of photosynthesis? Right answer is option C, thylakoid. Which organ is known as the blood bank of the human body? Right answer is option B, spleen. Friends, spleen is known as blood bank because it is responsible for blood purification and storing blood cells for an emergency situation like hemorrhagic shock, means due to a large amount of blood loss. It is also known as the graveyard of blood as it filters the blood by removing microbes and worn out RBCs. Which one of the following scholars suggest the Earth's origin from gases and dust particles? Right answer is option D, O. Smith. In which of the following country the Meseta Plateau is located? Right answer is option A, Spain. B.R. Ambedkar described which fundamental rights as the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution? Right answer is option B, right to constitutional remedies. Friends, in India, a person has the legal right to file a petition with the Supreme Court to have their fundamental rights upheld. For the Supreme Court and the High Court respectively, this right is protected by Articles 32 and 226. It is known as the right to constitutional remedies. Who decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? Right answer is option A, Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Friends, a money bill can only be introduced in the Lok Sabha with the prior recommendation of the President. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha has the final authority to determine whether a bill is a money bill or not, as stated in Article 110C. When is Hiroshima Day observed? Right answer is option C, 6 August. Friends, every year August 6 is observed as Hiroshima Day to mark the atomic bombing of the Japanese cities during World War II. The first atomic bomb was dropped on Hiroshima on August 6, 1945, which was named Little Boy. And 3 days later, the second bomb was dropped on Nagasaki, which was named Fat Man. Who among the following is known as father of Indian Renaissance? Right answer is option B, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. In which year was the Aam Aadmi Party founded? Right answer is option D, 2012. Friends, Aam Aadmi Party was founded by Arvind Kejriwal on 26 November 2012. The apex bank for providing agricultural refinance in India is? Right answer is option D, NABARD. Friends, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development means NABARD is the apex institution providing finance to the agricultural sector in India. It was established on July 12, 1982. Its headquarters is in Mumbai and present NABARD chairperson is Saji Krishnan V. Buyer's market denotes the place where? Right answer is option C, the supply exceeds the demand. Who is the author of the third pillar? Right answer is option C, Raghuram Rajan. Friends, Raghuram Rajan is the author of the third pillar. Raghuram Rajan was the chief economist of the International Monetary Fund between 2003 and 2006. Raghuram Rajan, an Indian economist and 23rd governor of the RBI, and also is the author of the I Do What I Do. The Council of Ministers has to resign if no confidence motion is passed by a majority of members of? Right answer is option D, Lok Sabha. The Canadian Pacific Railway runs between? Right answer is option B, Montreal and Vancouver. Friends, the Canadian Pacific Railway, known as CP Rail between 1968 and 1996, is a Canadian class railway operated by Canadian Pacific Railway Limited. Its headquarters are in Calgary, Alberta. The railway was originally built between Eastern Canada and British Columbia between 1881 and 1885. Insectivorous plants grow on soil which is deficient in? Right answer is option D, nitrogen. Friends, these plants are not able to fulfill their nitrogen requirement by absorbing nitrogen containing substances from the earth. These plants fulfill their nitrogen requirement by capturing and digesting insects. For this purpose, special nutrition methods are developed. Example, Nepenthes, Dionaea, Drosera, Utricularia, etc.